Hi, Jerry from MarineMax in Huntington, and here's the new Sea Ray 250 SDX Outboard. 300 Mercury. Has the white tow arch with built-in bimini top, stone-colored interior, Simrad electronics, digital throttle and shift, new head configuration with starboard side head compartment, bow seating area, anchor storage compartment for the anchor line and rode, storage compartment on the port side with a teak table. Also on the port side, we have a stereo head unit. Flip lounger seat, bolster for facing forward. You will also notice there's a nice spot where the cushions are pulled away from the back to give you nice access for cleaning, and it keeps it nice and dry.
Come see this boat at MarineMax Huntington or give us a call at 631-424-2710.